Hello students, I, Mrs. Sheetal Chauhan from New Catholic Mission School, Chhabwa, welcome you all in the class of Maths. In previous video, we have discussed about exercise 1.1. Now today we are going to discuss exercise 1.2. So let's see its question number first. Its first question is represent 7 upon 4 on the number line. So you know on number line, if positive rational numbers are there, then we are represent it on the right hand side of the 0, and negative rational number, they are represented on the left side of the 0. This is positive rational number 7 upon 4. So first of all we have to draw a line. Now first you divide 7 by 4. So 7 divided by 4, that means 4 ones are 4. Left here 3. Then point. We take point here. So 4 sevens are 28. That means 1 point something. So 1 point something, it means this rational number lies between 1 and 2. Okay. Now as this is positive rational number, so we draw only right hand side. So we start making from 0. Now between 0 and 1. Now you have to see the denominator of this rational number. The denominator of this rational number is 4. So you have to divide this 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. Similarly, between 1 and 2 we have to make 4 equal parts. So this one, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here again 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4 equal parts. Now we have to denote this number. So we start from 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, and this is 4 upon 4. And 4 upon 4 it means 1. Then 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4, and here 8 upon 4. So 8 upon 4, that means 2. So this number 7 upon 4 lies between 1 and 2. So now whatever number you have to show, you make the circle on that number. So here we represent 7 upon 4. So 7 upon 4 is in the circle. Okay. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. Okay, so here what you are observing, here the numbers are in having negative sign, minus 2, minus 5 and minus 9. That means this number comes on the left side of the 0. Then here numerator, this is numerator, this is denominator. So here numerator is less than denominator. It means if numerator is less than denominator, then the number lies between 0 and 1. But since here minus sign is given, it means the number lies between 0 and minus 1. Now let's see how to draw it. So draw a number line. Now we don't need positive side because these are all negative number. So we start making from 0. Now again you have to see its denominator. Its denominator is 11. That means you have to make 11 equal parts between 0 and minus 1. This is the left side of 0. This is the right side of 0. So 11 parts we make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, parts how you have to count? This one parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you have to show the numbers here. This number is between 0 and minus 1. So first number is minus 1 upon 11. Second number is minus 2 upon 11. Then minus 3 upon 11. Minus 4 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 6 upon 11, minus 7 upon 11, minus 8 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11, minus 10 upon 11 and minus 11 upon 11. This minus 11 upon 11, that means minus 1. So this number lies between 0 and minus 1. Now we have to show minus 2 upon 11. So we make the circle on it. Then second, minus 5 upon 11. So make the circle on minus 5 upon 11. And third circle on minus 9 upon 11. So in this way you can represent any rational number on number line. Positive numbers on right hand side, negative numbers on left hand side. Okay, now let's see question number third. Now third question is, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, means you have to write here 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Now smaller means छोटे, means 2 से छोटे numbers. So we know that less than 2 it is 1, then 0 is also less than 2, then minus 1, minus half, minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 and so on. There are many rational numbers which are smaller than 2. You can take any 5 rational numbers. Okay. Now let's see question number 4th. Fourth question is, find 10 rational numbers. Okay, now you have to find 10 rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. Which are the 2 rational numbers? Minus 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2. Okay, so in previous video we have discussed how we can find the rational number between 2 rational numbers. We know there are infinite rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. So let's check here. First, here given minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So first you have to make their denominator same. Okay, how we can make their denominator same? By taking their LCM. So LCM of 5 and 2, it is 10. So we solve it. First we take minus 2 upon 5. Now in 5 table, 10 comes how many times? 2 times. So 5 into 2. Then 2 into 2 it is 4 and 5 into 2 it is 10. Now 1 upon 2. In 2 table, 10 comes how many times? 5 times. So 2 is multiplied by 5 and 1 is also multiplied by 5. So it comes 5 upon 10. Now between minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, we get it 10 rational numbers? No. There are only 8 rational numbers, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are not getting 10 rational numbers, but we want 10 rational numbers. For that we have to multiply these numbers by some big numbers like 2, 3, 5, any numbers we can multiply it, so we can get more rational numbers. So here we are multiplying it by 2. So minus 4 into 2 it is minus 8 and 10 into 2 it is 20. Similarly here also we make multiplication of 2. 5 to the 10 and 10 to the 20. Now we can get many rational numbers between minus 8 and 10. So rational numbers between minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20 are, it is minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. Okay, the denominator is same. So we put here denominator also, minus 4 upon 20, minus 3 upon 20, minus 2 upon 20, then minus 1 upon 20, before minus 1 it is 0, then 1 upon 20, 2 upon 20, 3 upon 20, 4 upon 20, then 5 upon 20 up to 9 upon 20 we can take, 6 upon 20, 7 upon 20, 8 upon 20 and 9 upon 20. How many we want? We want 10 rational numbers, and here we are getting many rational numbers, so we can take any 10. So here we write we can take any 10 of this. Okay, means it is your choice, you can take any 10, like you can start from here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to there you can take, or you can start from here 0 also. So 0 up to this one. So you can get 10 rational numbers. In this way you can find 10 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers or many rational numbers. So your next question is also related with the same question. In next question you have to find only 5 rational numbers. So by using the same method you can find 5 rational numbers. So this question is your homework, that one you have to do. Okay, now let's see question number 6. Question number 6 is, write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Now you have to find five rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. Greater means बड़े, जो minus 2 से बड़े हो. Since it is minus sign, so all positive numbers are greater. Positive number क्या होंगे इससे? Bigger होंगे. For example, minus 1 is bigger, 0 is bigger, 1 is bigger, half, 3 upon 2 and so many numbers which are greater than minus 2. You can take any 5 rational numbers. Okay. So this question also over. Now last question of the exercise, that is, again you have to find rational numbers. You have to find here 10 rational numbers. Okay, find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4. sorry, it is positive 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 5. These two rational numbers, between them you have to find 10 rational numbers. So here again, first method I explain you can make their denominator same by taking LCM. Now second method I am explaining here. Here also we are making their denominator same, but here you can choose such kind of number so that directly their denominator same. For example, 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5, 5 is multiplied by 20 and 3 is also multiplied by 20. So we get 3 into 20 it is 60 and 5 into 20 it is 100. Now 3 upon 4, second rational number. So 3 upon 4, this one multiplied by 25. Okay, so 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. Here we have not taken their LCM. We have multiplied it directly by some big number, but their denominator should be same. Here also 100 and here also 100. Now between 60 to 75. Okay, how many numbers are there? 15 rational numbers are there. Okay, 16 upon 100 and 75 upon 100 are 61, 62, 63, 64, dash dash dash, or we can write 71, 72, 73, 74. Okay, so this much rational number we get it between 60 upon 100 and 75 upon 100. But how many you want? We want 10 rational numbers. Thus 10 rational numbers between 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 5 are. Okay, so we can select any rational number, so we can start from 61. So 61 upon 100, 62 upon 100, 63 upon 100, 64 upon 100, 65 upon 100, 66 upon 100, 67 upon 100, 68 upon 100, 69 upon 100 and 70 upon 100. And we have many also, but we want 10 only. So this much we have to mention here. So in this way today we have finished our chapter 1. So I hope you understand both the exercise. Now it's your homework that you have to solve both the exercise in your notebook. And now we will meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.